Hello friends, welcome to second part of third person shooter game. In this video we will learn how to switch between third person and first person camera system in Unity with Playmaker. In the end of the video we will be able to make this. So let's get started. If you see the first part of this tutorial series, then make sure you see the video first, otherwise you won't be able to understand what happened in this video. First you can download the animation of the vault. Here is the link you can download from this website. We write vault animation and download this animation, and then we use this animation in our game. So let's download this. It takes some time and upload in your project. First we will make it human right, and also download another package named Rifle Anim Set Pro. There is a set of animation that we use in our project. Import this project. I give the package link in my description. You can easily download through my link. Here is it, download. Now make another game object name FPS base, and also make FPS follow that our camera used to follow. Copy this and paste. Make another empty game object and name follow FPS. Now we adjust the camera. And also make FPS space. And also copy the camera that we already make. Change its position inside the head, because first shot is always inside the head of the player, so it looks like real. Set its position. Now edit the FPS FSM Playmaker. It's an Playmaker's tool that we use for making game. If you don't know, please watch my first video in which I better explain this. And drag follow FSF camera FPS. And -3 for Z-axis. drag this into let's test this. Oh, there is a camera problem that we fix later. Let's check. Let's see, it's fine, but we have some clipping problem. But first we check it's work correctly. Let's fix the clipping problem. Go to camera and decrease the value of near clipping. Now check. No, it's not working. Let's change its value little more. And now check. Yeah, it's fine, but to fix the face problem in the end of the video. But the other thing is working correctly. Let's change the value. Let's click on mesh, player mesh header, and go to shadow. And if we click on shadow only, we won't be able to see the player head. So let's fix through this playmaker. Create an empty game object and name its camera manager. Add player FSM and call the event name get button down. So we switch our camera from third person to first person. So we set the button value. We adds another button and rename its name switch and give its button, then rename it write the same exact name that we and name and create empty event, create new event. Let's make the transition between these two states. Then we press button V. Then our camera is switched to first person. For this we will add this event and drop this game object name first person and TPS for this. Now we control paste in another state, and this time change its value its opposite to the first one and disable it. Oh, now it's fine. Now lock this and drag first FSM and set its property to by default enable, and drag another FSM that we make for first person, and by default its value enable is false. By default player is the third person state. When we press V button down, then it shifts to first person mode and others is disabled. Also change its value. Now check. When I press V, it's moved to first person mode, and there is some camera delay that we will be able to fix. Now rename its camera name, and this time we only enable camera, not the game objects, so we don't face the delay problem. So other than object, we drop camera onto this action, and same like other. And now check. When we run, we click V, it's worked fine. When I press V, it's going to first person, and also when I also press V, it's going to third person. Now we fix the camera position. Yeah, it's fine, but we fix later. But it's working correctly. We also see the weapon. Now we fix the camera mesh player head problem that we see when we move to first person mode. Our player head is problem. So for this we make an event. We need to control skin mesh renderer through playmaker. When we are in third person mode, our player head is visible, but when we are in first person mode, our player head is visible false. To do this, we drag our player mesh and set its property and change shadow cost and set its value same in this, but this time we set its value to on. Here we go. When we are in third person mode, its head is showing. Also you can see in the scene while I press V for first person mode, its head is gone and we won't see the clipping problem because of head. Yeah, try again. It's fine. We also changed camera position. Now it's work fine. Thanks for watching. If you want to see my first video, please go and check the video, so you better know what happened in this video.